I'm dying to know how your tooth has been doing.
It's much better. There are days where I don't even have any feeling at all.
Really?
When I bite down, there's not that sensitivity. Like I can go, and it's not at all sensitive.
Oh, that
But then
is,
there's still like a little, I can't explain. It's not like an aching. It's just like a little bit of something back there. And I don't know if it's like mental now, you know?
yeah. Why don't we do one more thing on calcium hydroxide just to be on the safe
Okay.
side? You okay with that?
Yeah.
Are you?
I mean,
Okay.
is it the same thing as, do you think it'll be more sensitive like it was, or?
Usually, the second application, you don't
Yeah.
feel anything,
Okay.
so. See, your implant is holding it open, which is good. Go ahead and bite. And open, and bite. Okay. Now, I'm going to try the clamp on, but if it bothers, what do you think?
I don't know.
Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Slowly from your nose. Just some floss. Is that up now? Huh?
Yeah.
Take one paper point. Open wide. Thank you. Calcium hydroxide. Open wide.